Hello everyone, so today I want to move on VDA from one Citrix farm to another. So currently my my VDA is registered to a farm called something with 1 dB. Let me see. So it's now connected to this site. Um, as you can see it here, I have catalog, and here is my here's my machine registered. Everything is nice, and I want to move it in a different site, completely different site. So I want to move it uh, to this farm, um, and here I have other DDCs, and we can see the DDCs here. So I have DDC1 and DDC2. DDC2 is offline, but that's intentional. So I want to move that VDA to this new Citrix farm, and we can do that very easy. I want to mention that that is a standalone machine, so it's not PVS, it's not MCS, it's just a standalone machine. So first thing, where is it? I personally prefer to turn on maintenance on the VDA. Remove it from the machine catalog and also from the delivery groups, because I can re-add it whenever I want. So here, not this one, view machines, and here we can go remove from delivery group, and I want also to remove it from the machine catalog. It's this one, view machine catalog, and just delete and finish. So now it's no longer in this site database, and there is one thing that we need to do on the VDA itself. You can run the installer, the VDA installer again, and you can replace the DDCs directly from that, or you can just replace it in the registries. So under local machine software Citrix, and I should have something with virtual desktop here. So this entry, so now it's set for my current farm that has only one DDC, and I want to switch it to the other one. I've already copied the names so that I don't have to type so much. And the other ones are DDC01 and DDC02, just a space between them, so no columns, no commas or anything else, or dots, just a space, and just click OK. And now I should be able to, you need to restart. Let's restart services. We need to restart at least one service, so Citrix desktop services, and just restarts. Okay, one thing that we can check, it's in event viewer. I hope I can see something in event viewer. I should see something. Application, Citrix desktop here. information successfully registered with DDC01. So at this point, we have correctly configured the new DDCs. It registered to the first one. The other one is down, but nevertheless, even if the other one was up, it always registers to the first one, so it goes from high to low, so from 0, 1, 0, 2, and so on. And now let's also add it to the new farm. And here let's create the machine catalog. Okay, multi-session OS. Yes, it's multi-session OS. I don't know if I have the. Wait, let me see if I have power management. If I have that hypervisor. So I only have the vCenter, so I will not be able to power it off. Okay, doesn't matter. Next. So multi-session OS. Machine that are not power managed. Okay, next. Add machine. And we should, what's that name? Maybe I can see it here. Computers, not under computer, under Citrix, MCS. So, and that's the search directory, but I don't know the name. What's the name? 1 second. On the BVM, this one. Now let's go back. Okay, let's see. Does it find it? Yes, it finds it. Okay, done. Next. Let's give it a name. VM. Machine catalog 1DB. 1DB VM. So that I know where it's coming from. Let's create the catalog, and I just want to see that it's registered. View machines. Okay, registered. Let's also create a delivery group for it. Create delivery group. Next, yeah, that's the only one available. Load balancing session on machine. No, let's leave it like this. Users allow. Okay, default. No application, just a desktop. Migrated 1DB VM. Okay, allow everyone. I don't want to restrict now to anyone. Next. Delivery group name 1DB VM. Okay. Let's go see it in directory. Should also be registered and visible here. Let's refresh. Not failed. Let me search for it. Not user machine. Something with one DV VM. Okay. Online no alerts. Okay. And let's try a session. Let's see. Not global admin. User 01. Okay. Migrated. So this one. Let's try to launch it. It will launch in the browser because I'm using the NetScaler, but nevertheless, it seems that it's working as expected. Okay, so this was it, how you can um, migrate a VM from one Citrix farm to another. Thank you for watching.